Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this brand new grease gun that I bought from Amazon. And I bought it today. No, it was yesterday. I bought it yesterday, came today. Got the package right here with me. I should have get my my tripod, but I do not feel like going upstairs. I've been going up and down the stairs back and forth, like I'm tired. But anyways, let me switch the camera. So yeah, this is the package. I just got it. The guy just dropped it off, of course. Where's my little mini knife? Got my knife right here. Oh yeah, and once again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. You feel me? Make sure you leave a comment if you have any comment. You feel me? Let's get down to business. This should be a quick one. Oh, it's inside a box. Perfect. I love the way how they, you feel me, have some type of protection. You got to. Alright, so do they have any tape that hold it? Not sure. Not sure, but alright, so this, what I'm going to use for this grease gun is basically to add grease to the tie rod, the outer tie rod, which is the Moog brand that I have. I've been getting some mix, I've been reading about some mix reviews for the tie rod, for the Moog brand tie rod. Anyways, it came with this bag right here, I guess, to put it in, and so I don't lose the different parts and stuff. Got a little microfiber cloth, not bad. It's soft and nice. I'm guessing this is the brand right there. I don't know if that's the main brand or not. This is my first time owning a grease gun and purchasing a grease gun. Oh yeah, and also it comes with 2 hand gloves. You know, if you don't want to get messy, you have 2 gloves. You feel me? Left and right. Right and left, whichever. So put that to the side. Ooh, it is hot. It is hot. I'm down here in the garage. It is hot. Somebody start up their vehicle. It's a charger. So if you hear that noise in the background, yeah, that's somebody charger. They start up. Alright, so this is it. This is how it looks. 2 that go in there. I know you should be able to screw the top off, and should be able to pull this up, you know, to release it and to add the thing inside of it, that tube. And you get your different, you have your different nozzle as well. You have this right here. Let me see what it say. Double handle grease, Culper 1000 psi maxi. Okay, and you have your other tubes right here, your different types. You have the one that's flexible. You just have a lot of different different pieces to fit your needs. So there you have it. I know this wasn't long at all, but I don't think that it's bad that this one comes with all of those stuff, because I think some of the cheap ones don't even comes with all the extra nozzle and the different sizes. You might have to buy them separated, but this one, this brand that I have, that I got, this brand that I got is it's not bad. I haven't used it yet, but it's not bad for the money that I spent. You know, spent like what, like 22 bucks altogether. I think it was like $18 in plus tax, and it came to like $22. So that's not bad. I should be able to set it up and everything and add the grease towards it. It is burning up down here. Like, the weather here in Florida is really crazy. It's been really humid, and we're not even in summertime yet. We still in May. We're not in June. We definitely not in July. So this summer is gonna be really off the chain. But guys, this will be my first time using a grease gun. So I don't know if you guys, anybody own or have this brand before, but if you have used it, let me know in the comment if you ever used this brand before or ever used a grease gun before. And the reason why I bought it, as I said, is to add the grease into the outer tie rod, because they last longer when you could always maintain them. Some of them don't come with the part that you could add the grease. Those are the cheaper outer tie rods for the car, for the vehicle. So, but the one that I bought, which is the Moog brand, you could literally add your own grease. So I said maybe every 6 months or every year, you could probably just jack your vehicle up, or take off the tire, jack it up, and just put the nozzle on and just put some grease in the tie rod. You feel me? But yeah, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I hope my hands wasn't too shaky and going so crazy. Give you guys another look. You feel me? Another look at it. I think I would have do a better job with my tripod, but I did not want to run upstairs. Too much work. So this is the look. This is the blue color. Feel me? Top should be able to twist off the top, so I could drop the tube in there. Have the glove, the microfiber cloth, this nozzle, and all these other different pieces. A lot of different pieces, guys. So you have options. For the price, I think it's a steal, because as I said, some of them don't give you all these different pieces. They give you, like, the cheaper ones give you like 1 or 2. And I like the fact that it give you, this is 1000 psi. The one that you're supposed to use is, some of them recommend, like, when you're using it on a vehicle, be like 6,000 and up. But this one is like 1,000. I mean, what's that, 10,000? Yeah, like 10,000. So it's not bad. Amazing. Look at the pressure. Yeah, awesome. But yeah, guys, there you have it. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy this video, this unboxing, and until I upload another video for you guys. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless, and I'm out. Peace.